Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys Applock setting in our Redmi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your Applock password in our Redmi phone. Guys, you want to change guys your Applock password, so as you can change it guys. You want to change into guys your pin lock password, your name password, so as you can change. And guys, now let's see how to change Applock password in our Redmi phone. So first of all guys, open your phone setting, then guys scroll it, then guys you can see your app settings. So guys tap here guys, click on your app lock last setting guys, enter your guys password and draw your pattern you have. Then guys you can see right side guys this icon guys, this here, tap here and guys scroll, change password type, tap here and guys you can see your pin password and name password guys. It's your choice guys. I want to change into guys my pin password, so I will take my pin. And guys don't do any mistake here guys. You can see there is no option to check our pin, so I don't do any mistake here guys. Be careful, come back. Then guys now you can see guys, so which app guys you allow. Then guys you can see guys you have this pin lock guys. So when you will enter your pin, then guys you will use your YouTube app. So I hope friends you have understood how to change app lock password in our Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic guys. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.